This was more than just a floor. This was a mirror, a message, a metaphor. Each board I pulled up, each nail I yanked out, was a layer of me that needed to be undone. See, my body had broken, my faith had fractured, my soul had wandered through weariness. But as I stood in his kitchen, tools in hand, dust in the air, God whispered, "Let's rebuild together." It started slow, removing the old, the warped, the worn, the pieces that once served a purpose but no longer held me upright. And isn't that how healing begins? Not with the finished product, but with the courage to tear down what can't carry you anymore. One plank at a time, I laid new boards down, straight, aligned, secure. Some didn't fit, some had to be cut. Some days I wanted to quit, but grace kept showing up in every groove, every grain, every groove in that wood felt like it echoed the lines on my soul. I wasn't just redoing a floor, I was reclaiming my foundation. Because restoration isn't flashy, it's faithful. It's what happens when your health is fought for, when your heart starts to hope again, when your faith, which once felt like splinters, becomes something strong beneath your feet. This wood, this room, this life, they've all been remade. And now when I walk through this kitchen, I don't just see floors. I see freedom, I see healing, I see the hand of God. And every board that once seemed too broken to matter. So here's what I know now. Mistakes are not the end, cracks are not disqualifications, and nothing is too far gone for the master builder. He turned my floor into something beautiful, and he did the same with my faith, with my health, with my life. This was more than just a floor. This was my reminder that God doesn't just restore homes, he restores hearts.
Like mitered corners and angles. I really wanted to do this on my own and figure out these angle cuts, and I'm proud to say I did it.
So you saw some images of the floor I've been working on for about a week. And what I did was take a product that most carpenters use for underlay or behind the scenes work. It's plywood that I have sanded and applied medium walnut Danish oil and resanded and applied a medium walnut Danish oil mixed with polyurethane, and then added that to get some depth of color and some protection, and then a little more sanding, a little more dust removal, and ultimately maybe 4 coats of polyurethane and several coats of Danish oil. And proud to say I finally finished, short of the furniture wax that I got above it.